fine. Don't do old people. Don't do old people. Do you know the kids that live beside us that stare at us all the time? I wouldn't doubt it. That girl, yeah, we won't waste it on that. Dude, that sounds good.
Oh shit! Get your towels ready, it's about to go down! Everybody is
fucking turn for this shit!
We run it, let's go! I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat! Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat!
I love how it's moving with me, look.
I'm on a boat! Take a good hard look! Oh, come on! Take a look at me!
Not this thing. Hey! Do it, do it!
I'm on a boat!
Ready? See if they're outside. No, we're not even outside. Wait! We still have about a minute. Let's go this way. Anybody else? Always people on this road. This road. Ain't nobody outside.
You could have gone far. On the bike.
We do it to this lady right here.
Mermaid! I fucked a mermaid.
Do it. Fucking boat.
And there were two other people.
And oh shit, we have 15 seconds. Wait, there, right there. Bending over.
Ooh, hell yeah.